Reported speech changes time words when we report what someone said later. Direct speech uses words like today, tomorrow, yesterday, now. In reported speech, these become that day, the next day, the day before then. This happens because time moves forward when we report. The change makes the sentence correct for the new time. Today in direct speech changes to that day in reported speech. Sam said, "I posted the letter today." Becomes Sam said that he had posted the letter that day. That day refers to the day when Sam originally spoke. It shows the time has passed since the original statement. Yesterday changes to the day before in reported speech. She said, "I saw him yesterday." Becomes she said that she had seen him the day before. The day before means one day before the time of reporting. This keeps the timeline correct. Tomorrow in direct speech becomes the next day in reported speech. He said, "We will meet tomorrow." Becomes he said that they would meet the next day. The next day refers to the day after the original speaking time. It adjusts future time correctly. Now changes to then in reported speech. She said, "I am leaving now." Becomes she said that she was leaving then. Then shows the moment of the original statement. It marks when the action was happening relative to the reporting time. Last night becomes the night before in reported speech. He said, "I did not sleep well last night." Becomes he said that he had not slept well the night before. The night before refers to the previous night from the reporting perspective. Here are all the main time changes. Today becomes that day. Yesterday becomes the day before. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Now becomes then. Last night becomes the night before. These changes make reported speech accurate for any time gap.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.